Lokruok e chike mag kedo gi mibadhi kata Anti-Corruption Amendment Bill oyangi ni biro jiwo okang' mar kedo gi mibadhi e pachoka. E odiechieng rango kenge ma osego e kedo gi mibadhi kawuono, jotelo mopogore opogore ojiwo ji duto mondo onywak lwedo e kedo gi mibadhi king'iyo timbe mag jopiny kod jotelo. Jogo machiwo milome e wi joma mibadhi mieno bende yudore e akirikiki kaluwore ni seche moko achijego mantie telo rocho buche mibadhi kendo buogo ngimagi makoro duoko piny kedo kod weche mibadhi e pachoka.
Kenya leadership and we have county governments.
This year's theme, promoting human dignity in the fight against corruption, was set by the Africa Union to remind us that corruption is not simply a financial crime. It is the theft of hope. It is the robbery of opportunity. It is a severe assault to human dignity. And so as we reflect on this particular issue, we should not get used to it. It is a matter that is robbing people of their dignity.
Corruption is discussed mostly in technical terms as a governance issue, an economic drain, or a legal obstruction. But at its core, corruption is a direct assault on human dignity. It erodes the value, the rights, and the worth of individuals, especially the most vulnerable in our society. The right to be treated with respect, with fairness, and with equality. It is the foundation of all the other rights. When we allow corruption to fester, we compromise this very foundation.